You can ride, I mean, you can pull into the grass and turn around in the grass. You don't have to, you know, like try and stop on the dime. Just same with down there. Just don't hit the trees. Come on. Give it a little choke. Choke it. Halfway. Like I showed you. But the kickstand's not down all the way either. Give it a little gas. Give it a little gas. Give it some gas. When you pull it, you got to do both. Too much gas. Let go of the throttle when it does that and it gets away from you. Don't shut it off, just stop. Slow down, slow down, slow down. You're going way too fast. Slow down. You're going too fast. You're too soon. You're rushing it. Come on.